Hello, question number 62. The ABCD parameters of the following two-port network are circuit given here, T network, 3 resistors of 2 ohms. Solution: parameter A equal to V1 upon V2 and I2 0. This means output open circuit. So V1 equal to I1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 and V2 equal to I1 multiplied by 2. So A equal to 2 and B equal to minus V1 upon I2, V2 equal to 0. This means output circuit short circuit. So B equal to minus I1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by minus I1 upon 2. So B equal to 6 and C equal to I1 upon V2, I2 equal to 0. Output circuit open, so I2 equal to 0. So C equal to I1 divided by I1 multiplied by 2. So C equal to 1 upon 2 and D equal to minus I1 upon I2, V2 equal to 0. Output open circuit, so V2 equal to 0. So D equal to minus I1 divided by minus I1 upon 2. So D equal to 2. So our answer is A equal to 2, B equal to 6, C equal to 1 upon 2 and D equal to 2. Okay, thank you.